Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to connect a MetaQuest 3 to your PS4 or a PS5. Now, this, MetaQuest 3, it cannot natively connect to a PS4 or a PS5 for VR gaming because first of all, the MetaQuest 3, it's a standalone headset which is made by Meta, Facebook. And the PlayStation VR, okay, PSVR is actually the only officially supported VR system for PlayStation consoles. So what is going on is that Sony does not support third-party VR headsets like the Quest series on the PS4 or PS5. I'm going to be completely honest with you about these things. Now, what you can do is you can stream your PS4 or PS5 screen to a PC. And then what you do, you mirror that to a Quest 3, but only for flat screen games, not VR. Okay? So what you will need for this, you will need PS Remote Play, right? The app, you'll need this on a Windows PC or Mac, and you will need a virtual desktop, okay? Or big screen on MetaQuest 3. And then you can utilize both of these together. Otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. And if you found this video helpful, you appreciate the honesty, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.